welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. What time is it, Mum?
Birchbox day.
Birchbox time.
Yes, Birchbox time, sorry. I only got it yesterday, which is a quick time for me.
It is for you, yeah, because yours
Normally about a month late.
yours is always late.
Yeah.
This
Oh,
little dagger. How much is Birchbox?
$12.95.
That's including delivery.
Yeah.
It's a pretty box, just exploding out of its... Look. Go on, Lego camera. Very pretty.
Pastel butterflies.
I like it.
Yeah.
Pretty. So this is Mum's box. I don't get Birchbox.
It's got lots of bits sticking
Mum
out.
likes it. It's got all the wormies sticking out. So
It doesn't normally have worms in, does
let's
it?
just see what they say about this issue.
Sorry.
Let's see what they say. It's May and it's time to spread your wings and join us on a voyage of new discoveries. Take a fresh approach to beauty and try something new. A new product, a new look, a new approach. It's time to get creative. Bollocks.
It's not going to happen with me, is it?
Grab something.
We've left it a bit late as far as I'm concerned. Well, the first thing is Philip Kingsley Elasticizer.
We've had this before in a box. I don't know if it's been in...
No, I can't
You can do it. You just have to hide both of our faces because otherwise it focuses on our faces.
It doesn't like us.
It does, look. There you go.
Oh, right, yeah, I see. Well, whatever it is, it makes you elastic.
I don't know if we've had... It's a pre-shampoo. We've had this before, definitely. I don't know if it was in Birchbox or another box, but I've definitely had
I've
one
never
before.
heard of it, so what do you do with it?
Award-winning pre-shampoo treatment, which works on all hair types, adds elasticity, manageability, hydration and shine whilst reducing breakage. Apply to damp hair for a minimum of 10 minutes and then
Doesn't
shampoo.
smell of anything.
No, shampoo and conditioner as usual. Full size is
Smells of
£9.50.
nothing. So how big is this little baby one?
Yeah,
40 mil.
40 mil. I don't know how big a big one is, but
Right, well that's that then. I'll
Okay.
use that probably.
yeah.
Then I'll fish in here again, and I've come up with, what have I come up with? Something. Mascara, microscopic mascara.
A Botanic
What do you get in it?
Beauty, a nourishing mascara. Don't open it yet because
Oh.
it goes off once you've opened it. You only have 6 months to use it, so you want to keep it.
Oh, I like vintage things.
You want eye infections?
I've never had an eye infection. Have you?
Yes.
Well, they're obviously sticking it in your eye by mistake.
No, it's just common sense.
So we can't look at it.
Why do you need to look at it? It's a
See
mascara.
what it looks like.
There you go.
Okay, right.
And that says, not only does the mascara thicken, lengthen and volumize your lashes, it nourishes with almond oil and what is that?
Hold on a moment.
I had to swallow Ari's poo.
Right, okay, so where were we up to?
We've done your mascara.
I've done my mascara.
Go on then.
The next thing is a little white pot.
There you go.
And it's that, which is Mimi Tikka.
That's how I'd say it.
Mimi Tikka something or other.
Oh, it's sunscreen for your face.
Face sunscreen.
Factor 50, I'll have that.
Oh, look at that.
Because you won't use Factor 50.
I won't use it. Will you use that?
Mum uses bacon grease.
I do not. Goodness me.
What factor do you use, if any?
I'll use factor 6, factor 10. Here you go.
I use Factor 50.
Yeah, that's why you're like the gully you are.
Yeah, but I'll have no wrinkles.
And then, yes, but when you get to be as old as me, you will have.
No, I won't because I look after my skin.
Well, mine doesn't look that
No,
bad.
it doesn't, but I look after my skin.
Wrinkle, frown. No, frown, that is.
I am.
Let's see what lines there are coming. Yes, she has.
Loads of them.
Yeah, I can draw someone if you like.
What you got?
It's a little pencil.
Oh, it's Lord and Berry
For a
again.
Lord Berry little pencily thing. I don't know what it is. Is it a lipstick pencil?
It's a lip liner in Vintage Rose.
There you
It
go.
looks like quite a you colour.
Quite a dark sort of colour.
Yeah.
You see that, everybody?
You can forget about fading and smudging
There
with
we
this
go,
long wearing lip liner. Creamy formula made with macadamia oil. It's
Feels
water
very
resistant.
soft.
Yeah, it looks nice. But Lord and Berry is literally, I've never seen anyone actually buy one of these.
Because they get them free.
You only get them in boxes.
Well, you don't get them free because you pay for them. Right, that's that then.
Oh, this next one looks nice.
Well, it's massive.
No, it's full size.
It's a...
Fuck off, that is full size as well apparently. £9.50.
No.
Full size, look, blue is full size.
No.
That's full size apparently. That's bollocks. That's tiny.
This is something called
Sukin.
Sukin Original Hydrating Mist Toner. All right,
Sounds lovely.
There.
I
Okay.
need to spray it. I love mist.
What do you do with
Spray it
that?
all over your face.
I might not like it.
I don't care. I'll spray it on my face then. Let me just...
Well, give me a quick. Let me shut my eyes though. What's that supposed to do to you?
Oh, it smells lovely.
What's it supposed to do to you?
It says, soothe, cool and purify your skin with Sukin's alcohol-free toner made from a blend of uber gentle chamomile and rose water. I can't smell rose at all.
Very, very, very
I can't
slightly.
at all.
Well, that's all right then, isn't it?
Oh, it's lovely. It's
That's
perfect to
quite a
spritz
heavy
all over your
thing, isn't
skin
it?
when it feels tired or stressed. Better yet, it doesn't
I
smudge
have to
makeup,
wear it
so
all
you
the
can
time.
use
And I
it.
feel tired and stressed so much at the moment.
Yeah.
Spent the last day talking to BT.
Well, tell us
Tell us what?
about BT.
No, you don't want to know. It was horrendous.
Ari did another poo.
Never mind.
Yeah.
Better that she does than she doesn't.
Yes, it is, definitely. Right, so next month, Sneak Peek is a Benefit brow treat. So it's a brow, looked like a gel.
Is that good?
I like brow gels. I don't know if you'd get much out of it because
I know I wouldn't.
you haven't got a lot of eyebrows to start with.
I know.
But if you've got really blonde eyebrows, you can just darken them
Yeah,
with the
so
gel.
I've got them, though.
No, you haven't. So you can do the outro.
Well, thank you very much for watching this. Stop it.
Just playing with a knife.
Sorry, put that back down. And well, I thought it was quite sweet actually. It's shaped like a little.
Very sharp. It's a dinosaur tooth.
Oh, I thought it was like a little bird with an eye there.
It's a dinosaur.
Oh, right.
It's
Okay.
very sharp.
And yeah, if you've enjoyed watching this little video, I'm sure Lucy would appreciate it if you'd subscribe if you haven't already. And I'm sure she'll be back again very soon,
Yes.
won't you, with something else for you to look at.
In a couple of days.
Yeah, more than likely. And I will be back next month.
Yes.
With
If not
another-
before.
Why? What are you
People
doing?
want lots of videos with you in.
I know, but they can only do so much with me, can't you? Really?
We'll see.
Okay.
Thanks for watching.
Right,
Bye
bye.
guys.